What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be taking a look at this combo set of dashboard, roof, and rear window mounted safety lights. These strobe lights are going to be great for making sure that people can see your truck on the highway or out when you're doing work. And it's pretty great because there's all these different combinations. Like I said, you've got some here on the top and in the back to make sure you're being seen from all directions. So let's get a closer look at how everything works and give them a try. And here's a quick shot of the ones that come in the rear as well. Now you can see here, nice and bright. So again, let's go inside, see how these things work, and give them a try. All right, guys, you can plug these in through cigarette lighters, or you can hardwire everything depending on how you want your cable management. This is the controller for the front, the middle, and then the rear lights. You can see they're all very familiar, very easily used, and you can just hit them all to do the same pattern, back and forth like this. Super easy to use. And then also what's cool is you can turn them all off. Now what I like about them having a power button built onto the controller itself is that you can leave these plugged in and again hardwired, and you can see they have the full pattern that you're going to see on the lights themselves. All right, guys, here's the suction cupped windshield mount. You can see here they are adjustable, very nice. We'll get a shot outside and then look at the ones on the roof. And here's what they look like from the outside. You can see very nice flashing lights, not obstructing any kind of vision. And then you have the roof mount up here. These are held down by suction cups with magnets on the inside. And you can see it does have this nice all metal design right here. This is going to help keep everything nice and tight and visible, also waterproof. And it does have an 80-mile-an-hour rating for making sure that this doesn't come loose. You can see it's pretty tight on there right now, even pulling on it. And last but not least, you have your rear mount light. You can see there the lights are on. Again, another all metal design. You can see down here these are held on by the suction cups, so very easy to install. Pull these out of one truck, put them into the other, and you do have your wires that come out right here that you're going to be able to hardwire. All right, you can see here I'm hitting this with the leaf blower. The leaf blower is rated for 150 miles an hour, but you can see here absolutely no movement whatsoever. If you take this up on the highway, you're going to be able to hit 80, no problems. All right, guys, here we go. We got the full effect here with all of the lights on. You can see this makes you super visible. And when we pan over here, you can see how bright everything is. Very nice all the way around. Plenty of light. Here's some more lighting. Obviously the headlights are off. Pan up, you can see plenty of description to say get out of the way. Pretty cool little setup here. Again, you got your side lighting, you got your top and your back. When you have this full combo on, you can't be missed. Everything will be nice and safe.